This is the story of the pirate and his parrot, not unlike the ballad of Bonnie and Clyde, who, however, were a little more desperate and disparate. On the day of their meeting, the pirate was not yet a pirate, although always aspiring to become one when an adult. He had amassed a vast private collection of pirate arms, yataguns, grappling hooks, blunderbusses, Malaysian krises, 358 total. The parrot was already a parrot. How they met. Closed circuit cameras agree. In a dark pet store on a dank day. Both nose and beak were full of mucus. Not a little nervously, the two confided in each other how much they loved to play with boorishly booming bazookas. They assaulted tourists from Bali all the way to the Venice Biennale, then took a trip down to California, where they worked as instructors of calisthenics, calibration, and calligraphy, cooked cauliflowers, then reallocated themselves to crime, and finally, with the proceeds bought themselves a galleon in case they should come across a large store of gold bullion. It was then they took to the sea and took up piracy. They raided packet boats, pedal boats, and boats at once, packet and pedal, palanders, pirogues, pontoons and gondolas made of metal, dhows, dinghies, bidarkas, catamarans and clippers, felucas, garukas, tankers, bathtubs and bathroom slippers. But whether on the wavy wave or on the coconut-strewn shore, they never did forget that old dark and dank pet store, not even when filling their coffers or beheading recently met coffers. They worked hard, became successful and wealthy. They bought art and a split-level house in New Jersey, although they were never in it for the cash, but because the criminal form of life is such a blast. What a beautiful song, said the pirate. I wish I knew all the ship names in it. Shh, said the parrot. We'll look them up later. Later when? Asked the pirate. When this book is over, said the parrot. The pirate fell into deep thought. Will we exist when this book is over? He suddenly asked. If it's a good book, said the parrot.